Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this braided curly ponytail. To start, I've left a piece of hair out to frame the face on both sides, and I'm going to take the left hand side of the hair and split it in half, so we've got a top and bottom section, taking this round to the back of the head. Just clip that top section on top of the head for later and repeat on the right hand side. Next I'm going to take all the hair from just behind the ear forwards, and again we're going to clip this out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. I'm going to release that top right hand section down, and I'm just going to do a Dutch braid. So to do that, I'm going to take a small slice of hair at the front of the head and divide it into 3 equal sections, and I'm going to cross the top section under the middle and then the bottom section under the middle. Next I'm going to take a thin slice of hair from the top of the head and add it into that section at the top, then cross it under the middle section. Next take a slice of hair from the front of the face and add it to that bottom section, then cross it under the middle. So I'll show you one more time before I speed it up. Add a section of hair to the top section and cross it under the middle, and then do the same with the hair at the front of the head. So take a thin slice, add it to your bottom section and cross it under the middle. And we're just going to continue braiding this way until we run out of hair in that top section. And then just to finish it off, I'm just going to continue braiding the hair for a few inches without adding any hair. Next, add some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that braid apart for more volume. Then tie everything off with a clear elastic band, and we're simply going to repeat the same Dutch braid on that top left hand section. Once you've got everything braided, again add your volume powder and pinch and pull that braid apart. Now gather the braids and the rest of the hair below it into a high ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. Release both of your side sections down, and we're just going to pull these to the back of the head over the top of the ponytail and join them together with a clear elastic band. Next, take a finger and a thumb and pop it up through the hole. Twist your fingers round so it's pointing at the ponytail, and then pull that ponytail all the way through that little loop you've just created, and then just tighten it up by pulling on the edges. Now you could totally leave your ponytail straight, but I've decided to give it a beachy wave. So I'm just twist wrapping the hair in opposite directions every time I take a new section of hair. Again, my tools will be listed in the description below. So carry on curling that ponytail until you run out of hair. Don't forget to change the direction you curl every time you take a new section. And we're going to add a little bit more of that texture powder all throughout that ponytail, and then taking a wide tooth comb, I'm just going to comb out those waves just so it gives it a beachier look. Finish everything off with some flexible hold hairspray, and it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.